Do you want to know how you can unsubscribe your creators or following in Onlyfans? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can unsubscribe in Onlyfans. First of all, what you need to do is open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to onlyfans.com. Now what you need to do is go ahead and click subscriptions, which is on the left hand side. Now click on the following and then it will show you the subscribed people. Click on this and click unsubscribe and select the reason, and then you will unsubscribe the person who you have previously subscribed. So quite easy process. Let me show it to you once again. I'll subscribe to Onlyfans, and then what I'll do is go to subscriptions, go to the following section, and on the right hand side click on subscribe button, and I will click on unsubscribe, and you have finally unsubscribed the people who you want to unsubscribe. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.